Here are my guys. My chicken feet are all cleaned up. Look at them, guys. Just look at them. Let me show you. Let me show you. There, debris have cleanse, no toes, no claw. Nice and fresh. Ready to prepare. And now I'm gonna place a little salt in there. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to Self-Care Official. Today we're going to prepare brown stew chicken feet, guys. Yes, so be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, right, guys? Tell a friend about Self-Care Official, and you may comment, guys, in the comment section, right? Yes, man. Tell me, what do you know about chicken feet if you love chicken feet like I do. So here I have my chicken feet, guys, in some water there. So you know I'm gonna clean up this area and I'm going to cut away this claw here, right? This cannot be cooked in the meal, so we have to get rid of all of these, right? Yes. And this is what I'm going to use and wash my chicken feet, guys. Lime juice. Let me just pour some inside of it now. Yes. And leave it there to soak for about 10 minutes. And I'm going to come back, guys, and cut away this claw. Thank you for watching. Here are my guys. My chicken feet are all cleaned up. Look at them, guys. Just look at them. Let me show you. Let me show you. There, debris have cleanse, no toes, no claw. Nice and fresh. Ready to prepare. And now I'm gonna place a little salt in there. Yeah, gonna season them, guys. And this is one of the season that I use. I only use this season. Sometimes I use the oxtail seasoning, you know. But I love to use this one, guys. This is all the spice that I want. Maggi season up, all purpose. Yeah. So I'm just gonna place some of this one in it. Not too much. That's enough right there. Yes, because I don't want it to be too salt and I don't want it to be too spicy. And here I have my black pepper. And in the end, guys, I'm going to use brown seasoning, garlic. Yes, I'm going to put garlic in here while it's cooking. Okay, you know, guys, chicken will take a little time before it get tender and soft there. So I have to add water after water, so it to be cooked, you know. Yes, so this is all the spice for now. Until the end, I will add garlic, you know, pepper, sweet pepper, onion, and thyme to it. So this is enough. So I'm going to leave it to marinate, and when I ready, I start preparation. So you will see the end product, guys. Thank you for watching. Yum yum chicken foot, guys. My guys gonna pour in my chicken foot in the pot, and here's garlic and a piece of ginger. Yeah, in the pot already. Here am I with my chicken foot. Yeah. Right there. We're going to take a little over there. my cooking food now. I'm not gonna add any soya sauce or any food coloring, any other food coloring, right? Just water until it becomes soft, right? Keep adding water, keep adding water until they become soft. Right, so stay tuned, guys. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, right? Yeah, so stay tuned for the end result. Look at them, guys. So I'm gonna continue to add small water until they becomes soft. Yeah, so please remember to subscribe to the channel, guys. Yeah. Here it is, guys, the finished product of my stew chicken foot. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Look at all those seasoning. Look at the thyme, guys. Yes, the thyme there. The onion. The sweet pepper. Look at it. Look at my chicken foot, guys. Look at my delicious chicken foot. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yes, my delicious chicken feet, and it is accompanied with white fluffy rice. Look at it, guys. Yum, 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 yum. Delicious, guys. Here it is, guys. The finished product of brown stew chicken foot there, guys. Look at it. Look at it. Accompanied with white fluffy rice and tossed vegetable there, guys. Delicious, delicious. Look at it, guys. Yummy, yummy. Look at the chicken foot, guys. Soft and succulent. Yes, guys, soft here and succulent. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy to my tummy. Let's eat, guys. Come and take your share. Delicious meal it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.